coaster ride. Somebody is swinging a motherfucking Tonka truck. I don't even know what this shit is called. A Tonka truck top thing. Y'all get it when y'all see it. But this shit don't have audio in the beginning. But the audio kicks in after. So bear with the video. Y'all not bearing with me because I don't give a fuck. Bear with the video, not me. All right, let's go. It seemed like the other cop is actually talking to the guy that's controlling this fucking Tonka truck shit. Oh, he's threatening to crush the fucking police car. He's probably like, let him go before I fucking demolish your fucking office. That shit is like a fucking roller coaster ride.
For all available units, I've got 343 and 254 in a 1010 at 178.
Yeah, I know I'm about to say some shit. Cause I feel like that's a Caucasian male that's controlling that shit. Cause that shit put the cops' lives in danger. Obviously, they wanted him to get off. They wanted the cops to get off of that guy so he could run. So they tried to scare him. The gun got pulled out not once, not twice, but 3 times. But no bullets was discharged. Now, if you know, if it was a different situation, a different race, that person that was in that fucking Tonka truck, I feel bad calling it a Tonka truck. I don't know what the fuck it's called. But that person that was inside that Tonka truck would have had his expiration date stamped. We know that. He had to be a Caucasian male. They're the one that always get the fucking benefits of the doubts and the warnings 110 times. So that shit could have definitely crushed him. That's almost attempted murder right there. Soon as that shit was looking like it was going to crush the people truck, if that was a different race, them cops would have fucking killed that guy. They gave him all the chances in the world, and then he fucking turned the fucking hand thing on the cops. It came like this close, and the nigga's still alive. Y'all know I'm right. Even Caucasian people know I'm right. This is shenanigans. This is buffoonery. That guy's still living. Buffoonery. What else can I say? The shit was funny. But the circumstances behind that, if it was a different situation, it's not funny. Because that person would have not been able to go home. With that being said, I'm out. And these fucking flies is harassed. I'm out. Okay. Fuck, I'm aggravated. It's hot and there's fucking flies around.